Microsoft Planner is a task management tool which allow you to assign tasks to your colleagues and track its progress also. With assigning tasks to your team members, you can also align your tasks according to their buckets, status and member assignment as well that we showed you in one of our previous videos. As Microsoft has introduced some new updates in Microsoft Planner, now you can align and view your tasks according to their due dates and category as well. In this video, we will show you how you can align and view your tasks according to their categories. Now, what does category means? Category are the labels that you set with a task in a plan to prioritize your task. So, aligning your task according to their category will help in better visualization of your task according to their priorities, and you can focus on tasks of utmost priority easily. So watch this video to learn how you can do this. Firstly, open your Microsoft Planner from your online portal. Once it will open, the home page of the planner will open, that is Planner Hub. These are my favorite plans and all my plans are here. Right now, I'll open this plan, Foetron Knowledge Innovation. I'll click on this plan. So this plan, Foetron Knowledge Innovation, has been opened now. Here you can see all my tasks on my plan board aligned according to their buckets. Now, I'll click on this option Group By at the top right corner of this page. So here it's showing me 5 options. Previously there were only 3 options: bucket, assign to and progress. We used to align our task according to their bucket, according to the person to whom the task has been assigned and according to the progress of task. Now 2 more options have been added over here: category and due date. I'll click on this option category to view my task according to their priorities. As soon as I clicked here, I can see all my tasks according to their categories. There was no label set with these tasks, so that is why it is showing me under this category uncategorized. If I come over here, I mark this label as priority B with this task as well. So that is why it's showing me all these tasks under this category priority B. Like on these tasks, I mark this priority as weekend task. So that is why it's showing me all these tasks under this category weekend task. You can see the priority as weekend task with this task as well. So it's showing me all these tasks under this category weekend task. So this is how you can focus on tasks of utmost priority easily.
So it's all about this feature. Hope you liked it. Hit like, share, comment and subscribe to our Foetron Cloud Academy channel to know what you can do more with Microsoft Office 365. Thank you.